first step in the Big G is drawing the Big G. This represents a full gallon and is going to be the basis of our drawing. Within the G, there are 4 Q's to be drawn inside of it, each Q representing one of the 4 quarts in a gallon. The next step is in each Q to draw 2 P's. Each P will represent a pint, 2 pints in each quart, a total of 8 pints in the entire gallon. Within each P, 2 C's must be drawn, each C representing a cup, 2 cups in a pint, 2 pints in a quart, 4 quarts in a gallon. This leaves us with 16 cups per gallon, 8 pints total in a gallon. And to help with ounces, we can write 128 ounces on the right side of the G. To draw the gallon man, we must first start out with a central body square. Inside the square we will label it with a G for gallon. On the sides and the bottom we will draw 4 smaller squares. These will be the start of our arms and our legs. In these smaller rectangles we will draw a Q. These all represent the quarts that are in a gallon. 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. Off of each Q, we will draw 2 smaller rectangles. This will build the 4 arms and the shins of our gallon man. Inside each of the smaller rectangles we will draw a P. These stand for pints and will make up the fact that there are 2 pints per quart. Off of each pint we will draw 2 smaller rectangles, and within them we will draw the letter C. Each C stands for a cup. 2 cups per pint, 4 cups per quart, totaling in 16 cups per gallon. The final step to finish the gallon man is to draw his head on. This is done with a circle. Within the circle, we can write 128, representing the total ounces for 1 gallon. The angry chicken is the next drawing. Start off by drawing a big circle in the middle. This represents the head of the chicken. Off to the right, you can connect a Z. This will make up the beak of our chicken and also represents the symbol of an ounce. Within that circle, we draw 2 capital T's representing the tablespoons that are in an ounce. The T's make up the eyes and the eyebrows, making a angry or mad looking chicken. This will help remind us that there are 2 tablespoons for every ounce. Also know the amount of ounces per each unit for measurement conversion. For example, 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint equals 16 fluid ounces. 1 quart equals 32 fluid ounces. 1 gallon, like we said before, equals 128 fluid ounces. 1 pound will equal 16 ounces. We must also know tablespoons and teaspoons. 3 teaspoons is the equivalent to 1 tablespoon, and 2 tablespoons equals 1 fluid ounce.